This video is for all the beginner NEET aspirant, those who have just started the preparation for NEET and not familiar with the NEET syllabus. They might get help from this video. I also want to mention that you can also download the total syllabus from the NTA NEET official website. To download the NEET syllabus in a PDF format, you just need to visit the official website of NTA NEET, and then the information section you will find the information brochure. Just click on it and PDF form of syllabus, all the marks distribution, how will you get registration during the form fill up, all this kind of information will be downloaded in a single PDF. So that's all about the today's lecture. In the next video, I will gonna discuss about the syllabus wise most important topics from where most of the question comes in every year. Thank you.